the U.S. Air Force has decided to replace many of its oldest F-35A Lightning II fighters instead of upgrading them to the newest Block 4 version. This marks a major shift in its modernization strategy. When the F-35A entered service about a decade ago, the plan was for every jet to be upgraded over time through new hardware and software, keeping the entire fleet current. But those upgrades, especially the transition to the advanced Block 4 standard, have proven too costly, complex, and slow. To bring older F-35As up to date, engineers would need to completely rewire and rebuild parts of the aircraft, install new mission computers and sensors, and replace outdated systems. In many cases, that would cost almost as much as buying a brand new jet. The Air Force decided that instead of spending billions retrofitting older planes, it makes more sense to buy new F-35As already built to the Block 4 standard, which includes better radar, electronic warfare tools, and expanded weapons capability. Many of the early F-35As, known as Block 1 through Block 3 jets, will likely be retired early, used for training, or converted to test aircraft. This approach aligns with the Air Force's long-term plan to grow its combat fleet from about 270 fighters today to roughly 1,550 by 2035, including F-35As, F-15X, and the next-generation stealth aircraft now in development. Officials say the new plan will save money over time, simplify maintenance, and ensure that combat units fly the most capable versions available. While some lawmakers may question retiring aircraft that are only a decade old, Air Force leaders argue that technology is evolving faster than ever. Upgrading older jets no longer delivers the best return on investment. The service needs aircraft ready for modern, high-threat environments, especially as China and Russia continue developing advanced fighters and air defenses. In short, the Air Force believes it's smarter to build for the future than to rebuild the past. By replacing its oldest F-35As with new ones, it aims to keep its edge in air dominance well into the 2030s.